How we getting ass kicked by a guy that never owned a video game console? Look, I'm sweating. Look, that's how hard I'm going. And it doesn't matter. Oh, counter. Damn. Just go get something? What's upstairs?
It said table 30, I don't know where.
Oh. Ah. Gracias. Yes.
Lo siento, nos falta español.
Don't worry.
Today is my first day in Chile, our first day. Let me not exclude the guys out here. Right now we're at the spot called Insert Coin. But this is a video game eatery kind of place. We're gonna check it out and see what it's like. We'll see y'all soon. Just
It's first. Marvel vs. Capcom 3. We're doing it.
really? That's what's up there?
What's up, dog? You looking at me? Yeah, record this shit. I'm gonna whoop your ass the entire fucking night. Any game you
I can't put that in there.
Gang. Yo, tell your mother, tell my mother. Hey.
I can't put none of that in there, bro. Come on, be a little bit more like PG.
I'm not going PG. You're getting your ass whooped in every fucking game here.
All right, without the cursing.
Hey, you're gonna lose.
You gonna whoop, get that ass whooped?
Get that ass whooped. Huh?
Yeah, there we go. Oh, Dr. Doom, huh? Oh, chill, kinda. Chill. I know. Oh, you're Dr. Doom?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm like, chill. Oh, you're Spider-Man. Oh, but oh. Better stop before I throw that web at you.
No, block it. Oh, you bitch.
Oh.
That's rough.
Chill, son. I thought you said you never played this, Connor.
I've never played it before.
You better block. Ah, too bad. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Connor, I think you found your player, bro.
I think so.
I think you found your player. I wasn't expecting this.
It's your turn now.
You guys never played video games.
He didn't not do nothing besides read a book till he was 22. That was like I don't know, 6 weeks ago. Look at him.
Oh no, we don't want to do that.
We're good.
This is a good night so far. Games and some greasy food. Oh yeah. Press back to block from wherever you are.
What's back?
This right here.
Wherever you are, just press the button to go in the opposite direction.
Just fucking
Oh, just move the button.
Yeah, the opposite direction. Up for you. Yeah.
I'm just randomly pushing buttons. I'm really
Exactly. That's how it usually works.
Okay, work. I can do that then.
Yeah, I like this place.
The one that's
I
dying.
do like this place. It's pretty cool. Yeah. What for next, that motherfucker? That was good. That was really good. Here comes the food, guys. Big boss. That's the steak.
Whatever the fuck she likes. I don't know.
I'm not gonna. I fucking hate runny eggs, but I didn't actually. I told him I want this, so it's my fault.
This is the most awkward makeup session I've ever seen in my life, though. Holy shit.
Let's make it weird, dude.
Let's make it more weird.
Send it.
Is that Yachty's burger?
It might be. It's like,
Well, I got the big ball.
you like it?
Not bad. This place is really nice. I'm not gonna lie. I like this place a lot.
He's outside.
We out of here. Gracias. All right, so I'm gonna give you all a view, right? That's what it looks like from the outside.
Yeah.
And this place is called Insert Coins, right? Come to Insert Coins in Chile. It's a good spot. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video. No, I ain't gonna end this video right here, but from here we're gonna go to another spot, probably after party. We'll see what we're doing, all right? We'll see y'all soon, just like.
They already picked up the second one. They did it already.
It doesn't get better than this. Only a fool would have let you go. You got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white.